Sleeping in a batch file. When writing a batch file to automate something on a Windows box, I've needed to pause its execution for several seconds, usually in a test/wait loop, waiting for a process to start. At the time, the best solution I could find uses ping, I kid you not, to achieve the desired effect. I found a better write-up of it here, which describes a callable wait.bat, implemented as follows. You can then include calls to wait.bat in your own batch file, passing in the number of seconds to sleep. Apparently the Windows 2003 Resource Kit provides a Unix-like sleep command, at last. In the meantime, for those of us still using Windows XP, Windows 2000 or, sadly, Windows NT, is there a better way? I modified the sleep.py script in the accepted answer, so that it defaults to 1 second if no arguments are passed on the command line.
Update. The timeout command, available from Windows Vista and onwards, should be the command used, as described in another answer to this question. What follows here is an old answer. Old answer. If you have Python installed, or don't mind installing it, it has other uses too. Smile, just create the following sleep.py script and add it somewhere in your path. It will allow sub-second pauses, for example, 1.5 seconds, 0.1, etc., should you have such a need. If you want to call it as sleep rather than sleep.py, then you can add the .py extension to your pathx environment variable. On Windows XP, you can edit it in My Computer Properties, Menu, Advanced, Tab, Environment Variables, Button, System Variables, Frame.
The timeout command is available from Windows Vista onwards. Note, it does not work with input redirection. Trivial example.
Using the ping method as outlined is how I do it when I can't, or don't want to, add more executables or install any other software. You should be pinging something that isn't there, and using the W flag so that it fails after that amount of time, not pinging something that is there, like localhost and times. This allows you to handle time less than a second, and I think it's slightly more accurate. For example, test that 1.1.1.1 isn't taken.
Sleep.exe is included in most resource kits, for example the Windows Server 2003 Resource Kit, which can be installed on Windows XP too.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.